Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So it's been like 2 months since I have really sat down and filmed a YouTube video. There's a lot that's been going on. I have been super busy. I ended February with COVID, so that's why I kind of sound like a little funny. So this is the first day in like a week that I'm feeling like normal. So I wanted to sit down and film my February favorites. And if you guys can't tell, we are kind of like changing the setup. There's a long story. The ring light that I would usually use, my boyfriend was using it for some things and he broke it. So we have to improvise with whatever lighting we have right here. So that's what we're doing. But let me know if you guys like this new setup. I kind of like, I'm looking at it in the viewfinder. I kind of don't hate it. I kind of like it. So you guys let me know. But today I want to talk to you guys about some of my favorites that I have been loving in the month of February. I have some goodies here. I don't have too much because I don't want to like overwhelm you guys, but yeah, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. You guys, COVID kicked my ass, like literally kicked my ass. Like I did not think that I had COVID. I was like, oh, maybe I just have like a cold or something, because my boyfriend was sick and he was like, I have a sinus infection, and me, I was like, oh yeah, no problem, like I'm sure you do. And then like 4 days after him being sick, I started feeling sick, and then I was like, okay, it can't be COVID. It has to be like a sinus infection. Nope, 1000% COVID. And I was laid out. Like my boyfriend was like fine in like 4 days. Like I was laid out. I've been laid out. Today is what, Sunday? I've been laid out since last Sunday. So yeah, so let's get into this video. So I kind of want to start, I think we're going to start with hair care. So these two are brand new from Saltair. So this is their brand new dry shampoo, and this is their brand new leave-in conditioner. Both of these are in their viral scent, Santal Bloom, and I personally love that scent. So when I saw that they were launching hair care in this scent, I was like, oh my god. So the dry shampoo I really like. I love that it cleans my hair, but also gives my hair like texture. I did use it today, so my hair has a lot of like volume in it. My hair is usually really flat, so I really appreciate that this cleans and gives me decent volume without leaving my hair feeling like super gritty. So I love that. And then this, I spoke about this on my TikTok last week, and I love this. It's a moisture bond leave-in conditioner. So it's pretty much going to help with damage. It's going to help fight frizz, and it's also going to moisturize. My ends look like there's no like splitting happening at all. So you guys know I bleach my hair like all the time, which by the way, I'm stopping. I'm stopping the bleach because I want my hair to be super long, so no more bleach for me. But anyways, so my hair tends to be dead on the ends, but you guys, I've been using this for about 2 weeks, and I love the way it makes my ends look. I don't know if you guys can tell, I did wash my hair yesterday, but my ends look pretty good, and I'm pretty sure it's this. I'm obsessed with this. I love it. It's been working so good. So 10 out of 10, recommend. Sticking with hair. So I'm on a hair growth journey. So I went to get, long story short, let me just fill you guys in. I went to get my hair done last month, and my hair girl had to cut off more than I wanted. And my heart was literally shattered because I waited 5 months to get a haircut. I didn't bleach my hair for 5 months, and then I went and she was like, it's pretty damaged. So I'm like, okay, we are like kind of not starting from scratch. Like my hair is a pretty decent length right now. I am taking a new hair vitamin, and I have been using this product that I'm about to show you guys. So I'm on a hair growth journey. If you guys know me, you know that I'm always trying to grow my hair. But I realized that I'm the problem. Like, it's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me, because I keep bleaching my hair. So I need to stop. I need to just let my hair grow. And then once it grows to a decent length, I can kind of go back into the bleach, but not as often as I was. Anyways, so the product that I want to mention is brand new from Briogeo. This is their pre-wash hair oil. So it's their Briogeo Scalp Revival rosemary pre-wash oil. So essentially it has rosemary oil in here, and if you guys don't know, rosemary oil helps with your hair growth. So I have been using just regular rosemary oil, and I love it, but I love this too because it's good for your scalp as well. So if you guys have dandruff or anything like that, this is going to help with that, and it's also going to help with your hair growth. So I like to put this in at night. I will do like down the center, underneath, and like I will do like 1, 2, 3, and then sometimes 4, and I will just repeat it on both sides of my hair, and I will let this soak in my hair overnight, and then I'll rinse it out, and my hair looks shiny, and I really do feel like it is helping with my hair growth. So I have been loving this. So if you're looking for a new hair oil, check this out from Briogeo, because I really love Briogeo products. What do we want to do next? Let's do body care. So really quickly, I want to give a shout out to Rare Beauty. This is brand new from their Find Comfort collection. This is their body lotion. I love this, especially for nighttime. You guys, the way that this smells is incredible. I do really love the body spray too, so this is kind of like a 2-in-1, but I love this for at night, you guys. I will get out of the shower and just put this all over my body, and I will smell amazing, and I will be so freaking smooth. I love this, and it really, like the name Find Comfort is super appropriate, because when you put this on, you kind of just feel like, like relaxed. That's why I love it at night right before bed, because then I can go to bed feeling like, like I feel very zen when I use this. So 10 out of 10, recommend. It's hydrating, it smells amazing. This and paired with the body spray, love it. Let's quickly get into skincare. So I quickly want to talk about this. This is from Ilia. This is their base face milk. So this is kind of new. I think it came out in January. This is very expensive. This thing is $60. I know you guys are probably like, bitch, are you crazy? No, I am. Like, I went to Sephora and I thought it was $24, but that was the travel size, but I didn't see the travel size. So I picked this up, and then when it rang up at 60, I was like, oh, $60. I was like, okay, we need to try this out, because why is it $60? You guys, if you are a dehydrated girly, if you are dehydrated, then you need to pick this up. I love using this mainly at night, because I find that if I use it during the day underneath makeup, then I'm like too hydrated and my makeup kind of like slips and slides. So I like to use this mainly at night. I love this product. It is so hydrating. If you are very, very, very dry, then you can get away with using it during the day. But me, I find that if I use it during the day, sometimes my makeup will slip and slide underneath. So I do like to use this mainly at night. And you guys, I love it. I put it on like right after I'm done with all my sprays. I will put it on, and then I will go on with my skincare, and I just feel like it leaves like a nice base layer of hydration for my like skincare products to really absorb into. So 10 out of 10, recommend. I love it. Okay, so sticking with skincare, you guys may have seen me talk about this on TikTok. This is from Naturium. This is their Marshmallow Root Barrier Balm, and I love this. When I got this in PR, it said that it was like your winter skin savior, and it's kind of like their version of slugging without having to like drown your face in ointment, and I love this. I'm, like I said, a dry skin girl, so this is like the last step of your skincare routine. So you'll do like your serums, your moisturizer, any type of like retinol, anything like that, and then you will just go in with this as your last step. And you guys, I feel like it leaves such a nice layer of hydration without leaving your skin feeling like too like heavy, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes when you go in with a slugging product, your skin can feel so heavy. This does not do that, but it does the same benefits as slugging. So I am obsessed with this. If you're a dry skin girl or you just want extra hydration, check this out from Naturium. Love it. So speaking of slugging, I know I just spoke about this as slugging, but you guys, this product's from Prequel. This is their skin utility ointment. And you guys, I cannot say enough good things about this product. I use this product in so many different ways. So this month was very cold in New York, and I have very sensitive lips. So my lips get super dry if I use a certain product. Like, I was trying out this new Summer Fridays lip oil, and I was obsessed with it, but my lips were like, bitch, you cannot use this. Like, for whatever reason, my lips were swollen, they were red, they were dry. Like, I did a whole TikTok on it. Like, it was just madness. And I was like, oh my God, my lips look disgusting. How do I fix this? You guys, this product at night, I would just put it all over my lips, and like I was dry and cracking on like the corner of my lip, and I would just literally smother my lips in this product, and within like a day or two, my lips were back to normal. So this product, 10 out of 10, recommend. I also used it last night because I've been sick with COVID, like I said. And for whatever reason, my under eyes were so dry. Like, I couldn't even wear concealer. Like, I was trying to film yesterday because I was like, you know what, I'm feeling better. Like, let me try to film. My concealer was like, bitch, no, you were like dehydrated. Something is going on. And I was like, okay, how do I fix this? I literally drowned my under eyes in this product right before bed last night. And I woke up today, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I think my concealer looks pretty smooth if you ask me. And if you guys know me, I'm crazy when it comes to my concealer. I do not tolerate dryness, cakiness, creasing. I have zero tolerance for it. Like, my under eyes are already a big enough insecurity because of how hollow they are. I do not need to attract more attention to them with dryness, cakiness, separation. Absolutely not. So I was like, how do I fix this? And I was like, let's try this. Tried it, woke up today, I think my under eyes look incredible. You guys let me know what you think, but I think they look pretty good. So yeah, 10 out of 10, recommend. It's kind of like an Aquaphor, but it's better than Aquaphor in my opinion. I love her so much. And if you are a dry skin girl, or you have like skin irritants, or you just have whatever, check this out. It's amazing. It's good for eczema. It's good for, what else is it good for? Sensitive skin. Like, it's good for all of that. So check this out. 10 out of 10, recommend. If you guys are not using Prequel Skin, you don't know what you're missing out on. So this is another product from them. This is their Universal Skin Solution Dermal Spray for face and body. So essentially what this is, I like to call it like an antibacterial spray for your face. So if you have like acne or you have like texture, anything like that, I spray this morning and night. I'm actually out of it, so I have to order another one. I love this. I broke out really bad. You guys can definitely like see like these two pimples right here, they are bad. So this product I feel like has helped keep my skin at bay. These I'm pretty sure I broke out because of COVID, so like there was really no way around it. But typically on my day-to-day when I'm not sick with COVID, this I feel like keeps my skin at bay. Whenever there's a pimple that's coming and I just spray my face with it, it kind of diminishes it. So I really love this product and I feel like it's really helped keep my skin at bay. Aside from these two pimples that you guys see me rocking right now, those are kind of inevitable in my opinion, but I really love this spray. So if you're somebody that suffers with acne, with texture, check out this spray from Prequel, and it's even good for wounds. So if you have like an open wound and you can want to spray this, it's going to help disinfect it. So I love this. I use this as my first step in my skincare routine morning and night. She's a queen, love her. Let's get into some of the makeup goodies. So first up, this is brand new from Catrice. This is the Soft Glam Filter Fluid. So it's kind of like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter or even the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is cheaper than all of them. The Charlotte one, you guys know, it's like $50. I think the e.l.f. Halo Glow is $14. This is $10. I love her. I love you. I am not a girl that was like, oh my god, I love this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I thought it was a greasy mess. I thought it made my makeup separate. I was not like somebody that was like, oh my god, you need this. This though, for $10, I'm wearing it today underneath my Fenty Beauty, what is it? Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Stick, whatever it's called. And you guys, does my makeup look like it's separating? No, but I have such a healthy glow and my skin just looks amazing. You can even use this on its own. Like if you just want to kind of like even out your texture, you're not like a foundation girl, you're just like, I just want a little bit of glow and I want a little bit of evenness in my skin texture. Check this out. It is amazing. It's $10 from Catrice. You can get it on their website or you can get it on Amazon. 10 out of 10 recommend. I use the shade 015 Light. Love this guy. I've been wearing it non-freaking stop. So she's a queen. We love her. Product, you guys. This product from DIBS. Oh my god. This is, what is this even called? This is their stick, their Desert Island stick, but it's like their new contour one. This is in the shade Weekdays, okay? You guys, this. Do you guys see this color? This is literally the perfect, I don't want to hear what you have to say. This is the perfect contour shade for fair skin. I'm wearing it today. I'm using it on my cheeks, I'm using it on my forehead. Bitch. This, if you need a good contour that's not too cool, not too warm, then you need this from DIBS, okay? Again, this is in the shade Weekdays, and you even get a blush with it, and the blush is definitely gorgeous. Like, it's a beautiful pink. Love it. But I definitely reach for this more for the contour end, but if I need to, I will definitely use a blush. I have no beef with this blush at all. But the contour, you guys, I would literally pay just for the contour. If they were like, this is going to be the same price, you're only going to get the contour, I'd be like, no doubt, because I love this. This is definitely my go-to. As you can see, it doesn't make my skin look muddy. It gives a nice, beautiful, crisp, like contour. Oh, she is amazing. I am obsessed with her. So if you were a fair skin girl and you were looking for a good contour, check that out from DIBS. Amazing. Up next, this isn't like a February favorite, but it is just like a favorite that I don't think I've spoken about on YouTube, and if I have and I'm repeating myself, I'm sorry, but whatever. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Pressed Powder. We all know her. We all love her. Clearly, she is well loved. I use mine in the shade Fair 1. You guys, I cannot do my makeup without this. This is the last powder that I use when I'm setting my face. So I will set my face with loose powder, and then I will go in and I will set this whole area with it. And you guys, the way that it makes my skin look, literally my skin looks airbrushed. And I find that when I don't use when I don't use this powder, my makeup does not last as long. So this, you guys, I am a wholehearted believer in it. I love her. She is amazing. If you need a good pressed powder, I know she's expensive, but literally, you guys, no joke, I have been using this for like 6 months and she's still going strong. I bought a backup like during the Sephora sale for the winter, for like the holiday sale, because I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna run out of this soon. I still haven't even opened that. I'm still rocking this one. So, and I use this 365, 7 days a week. She's amazing. She is 1000% worth the hype. If you were skeptical, no. You definitely need her, okay? So this next product definitely surprised me, because if you guys know me, you know that I'm a beauty blender girl. Like, I love the beauty blender. Like, I love her so much. But you guys, this sponge from Dominque Cosmetics, I actually need to order a new one because it's ripping. You guys, this is the smoothest sponge I have ever used. Like, look at her. Do you see her? Look at how smooth she is. The way that she blends out my makeup, listen, I still love my beauty blender. We still love her, we still use her, as you can see. But I'm gonna put them side by side. There's a lot of dog hair on this, so don't mind it. But this one is dry, this one is wet, 'cause I just used it today. As you can see, the Dominque one looks a little smoother if you ask me. I don't know what it is about this sponge, but the way that it blends my makeup is incredible. Like, it blends my makeup like so good. I love her. I really, listen, I'm so picky when it comes to my sponges. I try a sponge and then I always go back to the beauty blender. Like, I'm just like, no, nothing compares. This, you guys, she's $15, so she's only $5 less than the beauty blender. She is kind of expensive, but she is so good. I love her. And listen, I still love my beauty blender, but for some reason I cannot stop using this because the way it blends my makeup is just incredible. Okay, let's finish this video off with 2 lip products. Okay, so up first, this is the brand new Tower 28 SOS Lip Softy. This is in the shade, which one is it? I think it's just the clear one. It doesn't say. Why doesn't it say? Wait. It's just the clear one. I know for a fact it's just the clear one because I use it every single day. So this, I am loving this. I love to just throw this on like in the morning when I wake up. My lips are super dry. You know that feeling when you wake up and you're like, ugh, I'm so dehydrated. I love throwing this on. It's amazing. I love this. They sent me all the shades and I really, really am enjoying this formula. I'm talking about it also because it does not dry out my lips. So if you guys know, then you know I suffer from extremely dry lips. Like sometimes, like Summer Fridays, I cannot use the Summer Fridays Butter Balm. I cannot use their new lip oil. I can't even use like their jet lag mask because there is something in the formula of Summer Fridays that my skin is like, we don't like her, get her off, and my skin just like purges, my lips get dry. Like, it's just a hot mess. This, I love it. It's amazing. It's not super, super hydrating, so it's not going to be like a deep hydrating mask, but for day to day, for on the go, for in the morning, whatever, super, super good. Love her. And you guys, I have not shut up about this, mainly on TikTok. This is the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment, okay? As you can see, she's very, very, very well loved. When I first tried this product a few months ago, I was like, holy shit, I just found my new go-to lip balm. I love this lip balm. They actually just launched new flavors. I have the strawberry. I'm pretty sure it's a strawberry one too. That's actually in my purse. This one's on my nightstand. This one is amazing for day-to-day as well. So this one is a lot thicker than the Tower 28. If you're looking for something that's not going to be super thick, if you don't like a thicker lip balm, then definitely get the Tower 28. But if you're looking for hydration, if you're looking for something that's going to last and not give you like weird, it's not going to break up on your lips because it's so thick, it's not going to leave like a butthole lip, it's not going to do anything weird like that, then you need to try this from Ole Henriksen. I'm telling you guys, even if the Summer Fridays didn't give me a breakout, this is 1000% more hydrating than the Summer Fridays. Like, I don't think it compares to, I don't think Summer Fridays compares to this in the slightest. Like, I am an Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment girly. Like, you can't persuade me the other way. Like, this one is amazing. You can even use it as an overnight lip mask. So I keep this on my nightstand because I like to use it at night too. So I'll put a lip mask on kind of when I do my skincare, and then right before I go to bed, I will put this on, and then sometimes I will even top it off with the Prequel ointment. So these two have been the reason why my lips have recovered from any type of dryness, any type of irritation. These 2 products right here are like my lifesavers. But yes, that's everything I have for you guys in this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products. If you're going to try any of these products, let me know all of your thoughts down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, Thor's interrupting as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.